What's up, everyone? This is Evgen from the local Canadian company Appliance Fix Lab in Winnipeg. It's time to troubleshoot the Bosch appliances. This is a video about repair and maintenance of a Bosch HBL8750UC oven and microwave column in the Sage Creek area of Winnipeg. Today I will diagnose the Bosch oven and identify the cause of their malfunction. Description of the problem was provided to us by the owner: overheating of the oven. No shutdown of the heating, heats without stopping. Let's start diagnostics. I use a visual inspection and measurements of technical parameters for diagnostic with a multimeter. Gotcha. The temperature sensor parameters do not correspond to the operating ranges and damage is visually visible on the main board of the oven. I decide to replace both components, the temperature sensor and the main board. To perform diagnostics, I had to partially remove the column of appliances consisting of an oven and a microwave. But for the replacement, I needed help in dismantling the Bosch appliance column from the furniture and installing it back into the furniture after its repair. To be able to replace the board, I disassembled the common body of the column and separated the oven and microwave into two separate devices. In the upper part of the oven, I unscrewed the protective cover through which I gained access to the main board. I replaced the main board. The temperature sensor is much easier to change. When replacing only the temperature sensor, there is no need to dismantle the column of appliances from the furniture. After replacing the faulty components with new working ones, I conduct tests without installing the equipment into the furniture. Success! The Bosch oven operates in all modes and controls and regulates the temperature in the ranges specified by the user. My colleague and I assemble the column and mount it back into the furniture. The most difficult task when repairing built-in appliances. The column is installed. I am successfully conducting final test. The Bosch oven has been tested in all modes and is ready for further use. It's time to say goodbye. If you have questions about repairing a Bosch oven or questions about any other appliances, shoot to us in the comments, and the Appliance Fix Lab team will answer them. I advise you to click the subscribe button right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on servicing appliances in Winnipeg. You subscribe and like. I make new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.